Okay, so when you put this carpet strip back down, leave a little bit of space in between your channel here, the Rondec, so you can tuck the carpet in between that space. So I'm just leaving about a 1/4 inch in between that Rondec and the carpet strip here. So then we're just gonna cut this. I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of this off. So what you want to do is take your carpet knife and just try to tuck that into that 1/4 inch space. So that's all really is to it. It's just constantly stuffing everything in there. Get all nice and tight into that joint. And if there's any stragglers, you can just cut some of that out. Try to tuck it back in there. So I hope I demonstrated that well enough for you and you got a couple techniques on how to do this on your own bathroom. If you are remodeling a bathroom, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have a lot more content like this, and it will help you get more efficient and better at remodeling bathrooms. Thanks so much.